Hello, YouTube world. My name is Shawn Ellinwood. This is probably going to be the worst video I've ever made, but we're just going to roll with it. So, welcome to my channel, the introduction of what I'm going to call Coding with Shawn. So, I am a computer science student. I completed my computer science degree at Front Range Community College, and I transferred to Colorado State University to work towards my bachelor's degree in computer science and atmospheric research. So at the moment, I'm still deciding between computer science or data science. Um, so I've thought about making videos for a while, but I kept getting stuck with the problem where I don't feel like an expert. But after doing some research on YouTube, a lot of the a lot of the programming videos online already feel polished. So when you watch those videos, the person already knows the answer, the code works, the explanation's clean, everything looks planned out because they're probably senior devs or they have years in the business themselves. Whereas me, that's not who I am. So I passed programming courses, I built projects. Um, some of the languages that I personally written myself have been Java, C++, assembly, and a little bit of C sharp, but not enough to fully understand it, and then as well as other code for school and personal project. But I still get stuck, with me being a student, I still make mistakes. I have moments where I understand a concept when someone explains it, but then I struggle when I have to sit down and write the code myself. That's normal. So the latest class that I've taken was I finished a C++ class. I passed it, which I felt was fantastic because I felt like I did not understand it at all. But even after passing, I still don't feel like I can just open a blank file and completely write C++ from scratch. So that was the gap of why I wanted to make this channel. So I don't want to be a fake expert channel. I want it to be a real computer science student video blog. I want to document the learning process, including the parts that are confusing, frustrating, messy, and of course not perfectly edited. Because I'm not a professional blogger. So some videos that will probably be about my computer science career class, my computer science career path is going from Front Range Community College to Colorado State. What I'm learning, what I am learning, how I'm building my portfolio, and where I want to go next. So some of the videos might be me explaining concept for my classes after they finally click, not as a professor, but as like a student explaining it the um, the way that I wish it had been explained to me as a student, because I know some things when you learn in computer science, the way that the professor explains it is completely like another language. So I kind of thought, well, if I'm learning computer science as a student, the best way to learn topics is, if you're not a self learner, by looking up stuff on Geeks for Geeks, YouTube videos, is to just ask your classmate and see, hey, do you understand this topic? Yes. Okay, could you break it down for me? No, I don't understand it. Okay, let's break it down together. Um, so I'm not 100% certain where and what I would like to do with this channel other than just go with computer science and possibly break down some of the topics that I thought were confusing, because when I self-study and I look on YouTube, it just makes things worse than what the textbook says. Um, so I do have my own website and GitHub, so part of this channel will probably connect to those projects too. So the website will have my portfolio, and then these videos can kind of show the story behind what I'm breaking, building, fixing, and learning. So it might take change over time on exactly what I want to do. The first videos will not be amazing, but I'm using what I have. Right now, I just got my laptop webcam, and then editing it's just Clipchamp because I don't know how to use OBS quite yet. So it'll take some time for things to look professional if I ever were to go that route. So I appreciate your patience on some of the quality of the videos if they may seem rough and unedited. Um, so yeah, I this is my introduction video. I don't hope to get famous, but if some of the topics that I cover help you in class, I am grateful for being part of your own CS journey. I'm Shawn Ellinwood, and this is Coding with Shawn.